Hello, and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today, the selection I've chosen to read from the words of Pope Francis is one entitled, "Let Peace Begin at Home." What is happening in the heart of man? What is happening in the heart of humanity? It is time to stop. From every corner of the globe, today, believers offer up their prayers, asking the Lord for the gift of peace and the ability to bring it into every environment. May the Lord help us all to set out more decisively on the path of justice and peace. And let us begin at home. Justice and peace at home among ourselves. It begins at home and then goes out to all humanity. But we have to begin at home. May the Holy Spirit act in hearts. May he melt obstacles and hardness and grant that we may be moved before the weakness of the baby Jesus. Peace, in fact, requires the strength of meekness, the non-violent strength of truth and love.